Hi everyone. Do you get distracted by notifications while you are trying to enjoy your music? In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to set up your iPhone so that it automatically switches to focus mode whenever you plug in your headphones. This way, you can listen to your music without any interruptions. Let's get started. First of all, I'm using an iOS version 18.0. It's in the beta stage, but I think it's for all the iOS version. You can apply this one focus. So let us see how I created the Music Focus app, what it does, what's the purpose of it, and then how you can customize it more as per your choice. And then I'll also show you about the rest. So you hit the plus button there, you hit custom, then you can name it, let's say, songs. And then let's change color, maybe the logo too. I have selected the logo differently. I think I did it with internet. And then you can select it, let's say fire here for the showing purpose, then hit next, then customize focus. Then what it does is, like, you can allow people to have their notification pops up when you are listening to music. The most primarily are your parents. So let's say you add your father's contact, you add your mother contact, you add your grandparents contact, then you can add your friends, then you can add your managers where you are working at, or your boss, cause you can't miss their notifications, right? Then hit done, and then you can press next, or let's say you can choose which apps. So the most primarily reason for me to do this is because of Snapchat. Like, you see a lot of pops up come when we are listening to music, and then it gets lower, it sounds automatically, and then the music gets disturbed. So let's say I want a little notifications from some apps, but I don't want my Snapchat notifications. So what you do is you hit snap, you select to not to show the pop-up, and then press done. This way you can choose any apps which you would like to have the notifications turned on. And then let's say HDFC Bank is my primarily bank, and then I'm using it, and then I am having a very important conversation. So let's say we turn that on because we want that notification. But you can select it as per your applications and your usage. Okay, press done, and then yeah, so after then you can select the screens. You see it automatically changes my wallpaper and all. So you can also do that when this automation runs, this focus runs. It can automatically change your wallpaper and all, your theme and all. And then you can also customize your home screen, lock screen, and your watch face. Okay, so you can do this with your own customization skills. Then this is an important part, so you can also activate this while you open an app such as like YouTube music app. Then you hit Spotify, you listen to any Safari link or something like that. You can add everything in this one. Okay, I'll also show you how you can add your headphones to that. So when you connect your headphones, it will automatically turns on, and then when you disconnect your headphones, it will automatically gets disconnect. Okay, but first of all, you can see you can add your any Apple Music or any music app here, and while you open that, it will automatically turns that on. And you can also add time, location, or app. Let's say you listen to music at 11 o'clock every day, so you can hit 11 o'clock. You can add also focus filters such as save battery and all, but I don't think it is most important to everybody. And then you can also say shown lock screen, hide notification and all, but that stuff is not that much important. So alright, let's start with how you can do the automation. So firstly, everybody has different their headsets and their Bluetooth devices. So one of mine is I'm using this one. So you already have this one, okay? So what you need to do is you need to go to Shortcuts app. I can also provide you a link, but then as well as in that link you need to do a lot of stuff to be changed. So you can see here is my shortcut when I open and when I close the headphones. So you need to come here in the automation, then you need to press here, you need to say just hit the Bluetooth. So when my iPhone connects to my AirPods, you will automatically see that, okay? You press that, you hit device, and you need to choose your device from here. Let us say I choose my Oppo. Let's hit this one, run immediately. You don't need to hit this run after confirmation, then it will always ask you for your permission. So you hit run immediately, press next, and then what action should it do when it is connected. Alright, you press new, then Bluetooth. When my Bluetooth is connected to your device, okay, I'm selecting any right now, but you select your device from the list. You press done, you press run immediately, then press next, new blank automation, add action, search focus, set focus, turn your music focus on. Okay, so this one will be your connected focus. Now we are creating one which will disconnect. Okay, so press Bluetooth is disconnected, choose your device from here, press done, run immediately, next, search new blank automation, focus, set focus to music, and then turn off. This will automatically turns your music focus off. Okay, so this two will be your automations which will be used to turn on and turn off your music focus whenever you are connecting your headphones. Okay, thank you so much for sticking with me until the end of the video. I hope you found these tips on using music focus to be helpful and that they enhance your music listening experience. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new content. I'm working on a lot of videos. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.